The IFB Senator Smart Touch, India's first smart load washing machine with its all-new ergonomic smart design features. For instance, the new top control panel, it makes it so much easier to operate. A light touch is all you need. Or take the added pedestal, which makes the machine higher so you can operate it without straining your back. The pedestal also doubles up as an inbuilt wash care organizer. Isn't that a smart idea? Then there is the bigger size door, which makes it convenient to load and unload bulky curtains or duvets. And with the light inside, you will never lose those little things. These thoughtful touches are just delightful. The IFB Senator Smart Touch. It's smarter than smart.